Hey everyone, today we'll be doing this black smoky eye with golden glitter. I've primed my eyes with MAC Purpose Prime and I'm starting to outline the lash lines. To achieve the blackest smoky possible, you'll have to use some sort of black eye primer. I'll be using MAC Paint Pot in black, and you can also use gel liner. But thing is, if you make a mistake, black paint pot will be super difficult to fix. So I'm wetting out lines with the Master Drama gel eyeliner first and smudge the edges with the brush to make the lines really smooth. You don't have to be super accurate with the pencil because you'll be fixing it with a brush. Just make sure you outline the crease the way you like. If you have deep set or hooded eyes, you might want to go slightly above the crease. Once you're happy with the outlines, start picking whatever you use as your black base for the eyeshadow. I'm using MAC Paint Pot. You have to be really quick so it remains sticky when you apply your eyeshadow. When you're done with the base, blend out the edges with the brush you used for the eyeliner and pack the black eyeshadow you like with a flat brush. I'm using katvondglimmer eye palette and the brush is from the Smashbox Shape Matters palette. When doing the outer corner, if you have deep set or hooded eyes, make sure your brush faces the outer edge of your brow to create an uplifted look. Next, I use Too Faced Natural Matte palette to blend out the edges. Usually you would start with some sort of neutral color, but in my case, with deep set eyes, it's easier to do the main color first and take it from there. I use the same colors from the Natural Matte palette for the lower lash line and a mix of two lighter shades to really blend out those edges. I use the same Maybelline Master Drama eyeliner for upper inner rim and skip the lower inner rim because I'm really gonna run to the sound check. Clean up the fallout, apply the concealer. I'm using MAC Pro Longwear and mix it with MAC Studio Fix foundation. Next, I set everything with a dense brush and Max Factor Facefinity. This combination is fantastic if you want to make your pores less visible without making your face powdery. For contouring, I use the Smashbox Shape Matters palette with the Smashbox contouring brush that came in the set. Smashbox has the best taupe contouring shade that looks like a real shadow, especially on stage or on TV. Blend everything out with a fluffier brush. I use MAC 129. I often skip blush altogether, use something that's good both for contouring and as a blush, something like MAC Harmony. But today I'm using a mix of two colors from benefitblushbar. And what a coincidence! I especially like the one with rock written on it. It blends nicely into the skin and looks natural. For this look, I'm using golden highlighter from NYX. It's great for some tan skin and all sort of golden looks, and also pretty sturdy for the road. And finally, a tiny bit of translucent powder. I use makeupforever HD to set the look. Now the best part, I use stilaglitterandglow in the shade Goldgoddes in the inner corners. Blend out the edges with a flat synthetic brush. Add macshinypretty shadow in the shade Make a Wish. It helps to blend that gold into the black. And finally, Decay All-Nighter from Distortion. For the lips, I use MAC Khol lip liner. And Smashbox lipstick and Posypink. For a clean and modifying lip contour, I use the concealer brush with a tiny bit of MAC Pro Longwear. My favorite mascara at the moment, Bold Bad Lash from MAC. It also has a tiny wand for lower lashes, which I always forget to use. The main part is to apply the mascara to the entire lash line, starting from the roots. I need this makeup to last no matter what, so now a real lifesaver, Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray. And now here's a trick. Do not open your eyes, letting the spray dry. And while your eyelids are still wet, apply the second layer of the eyeshadow you used for the most vibrant and the most lasting color possible. That's it. This is the finished look. So here I am, 10 hours later. I've just returned from the show. So the makeup survived 1 hour and a half performance on stage, the sound check, the way to and from the venue. Hope you found some of those tips useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.